greeting guys, Irenmen here. Today gonna play Cat Mario. Let's do. Okay, this game is gonna be fucking easy. This doesn't even look like a cat leak, what the fuck? Cat Fingy locks leak Wilbert. Okay, this game is looking easy. Oh, what the hell? This game is bullshit. Okay, let's see if I can beat this game. Okay, Irenmen are doing good. Oh shit. What the fuck, I was so close to that fucking checkpoint. Okay, I'm gonna get that fucking checkpoint. Fuck, this cat is annoying. Oh yeah guys, look at them skills. Okay, let's get that checkpoint. This better not be a troll. Ah yes, beat that Cat Mario, you little bitch. Hopefully I don't die. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, I'ma heave one more view. This better not that troll. What the hell is this? Oh my god, this is a fucking troll. Okay, screw this game. Comment below on what game I should play next. Okay. Oh, you fucking suck. Cat Mario, please. I wouldn't intend to see.